Hi guys, it's DK388. Right, today we're going to try and hardwire these strip lights into the mains lighting circuit. At the moment they're just powered on by a extension lead in the downstairs hallway through there. So every time I need to get into the loft I have to do this exercise. So plan is to wire it into this. So we've got a little bit of cable which I've prepared there, 1mm twinning core and earth, and connect that into here. So this is the lighting circuit which is powered by that switch down there. So I've isolated it from the main board. As you can see, it's not on, and switch is on. So the plan is to move the live incoming and outgoing into this terminal block. So I'll have a spare terminal in the neutral and live to power up into that. And this is daisy chained by the white flex into that light. So hopefully it should all come together. And then obviously I've got to do an earth connection, but I don't think it's needed. I don't think there's an earth connection in there, if I remember. So that's the plan today. So we'll see how we get on. So before we start, I thought the first thing would be to check the existing cable rating. So this one, if you can just zoom in a bit better, it's 2 times 1 plus 1, so twin core and earth at 1mm square. So I want to find the matching cable for the new connection between the rows and the new lights. So I've got this from Wix, which is 2 times 1 plus 1, so it's same wire thickness to keep everything balanced, I presume. I got this from Wix, which is about 75p a meter. So here I'm just preparing the cable, open up the ends using some snips just to split them in half. Just be careful of the bare earth, so not to nick that. And then once you got it starting, you can just pull it apart. Only need probably about 50mm, a couple of inches really, just to open it up. So on this part here, I was just about to undo the live cable to the bulb. Had hit a bit of a snag where I couldn't undo the screw. I think the electrician just over tightened it, so I had to use the snips to cut it and just re-terminate it into the middle connection block. So that's probably the only issue I had so far. So yeah, just re-terminating it into the middle one. So yeah, carry on. Right guys, I've done all my terminations, so I moved all the live connections to this terminal in the middle. So one feeds this pendant bulb and the other one goes off along with the earth and neutral into this termination block. So I've got blue for neutral, earth and live. This one's a bit of a stubborn one. I couldn't unscrew it, so I just had to snip it off. It broke the tip of the screwdriver, so it was over tightened by the original electrician. So that's it. So hopefully this should all work. So I'll go on there, switch it live onto the main board, energize it, and then hopefully all this should power up just using the single switch down there. Hopefully, so fingers crossed. Also put some earth sleeve in, which the original electrician didn't do either. So hopefully it should be all okay. So this is my setup at the minute. Got a little GoPro and hanging a portable floodlight, battery powered at the minute. So yeah, hopefully this will work. So we'll find out. That's the stairs lighting. Just a minute. So there we go. Right, job done. It's probably taken me about 30 minutes, 45 minutes to finish. So now we're extension cord free, so don't need to trail the extension lead to the downstairs socket. So it all operates on just that switch. So yeah, hopefully it saves a lot of hassle in the future if you want to get into the loft. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next one.